friends. Hola amigos. My name is Pradnya. Me llamo Pradnya. I'm a Spanish teacher, soy profesora de español. Bienvenido a mi clase de español. Welcome to my channel, The Spanish Tutor. I believe if you want to learn any language, you should follow five techniques. That is, watch, listen, read, write, and speak. Watch all the movies and series. There's so many channels on YouTube, Netflix. Listen all the songs. There are so many audio podcasts on internet. Read Spanish books, magazines. There are so many stories available on internet. Whenever you hear any word, just write it down. Write small essays, stories. Last and the most important technique is to speak. Practice speaking Spanish. Even if you're wrong grammatically, just speak. Whenever you meet someone or when you want to introduce yourself to someone, you should know some basic phrases. So let us start with some basic phrases in Spanish. Empecemos con algunos frases básicos en Spanish. The most common general greeting in Spanish is hola. Hola means hi, hello. It is always silent in Spanish. This you can use at any time of the day. Let's look at some greetings which are used at certain times of the day, like good morning, buenos días. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. Good evening, buenas noches. Good night, buenas noches. When you meet someone, first thing you ask them, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is Prashna. Me llamo Prashna. There's one more way to ask what is your name in Spanish. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Mi nombre es Prashna. Mi nombre es Prashna. Once you have introduced yourself, you will ask, how are you? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? If the person is your friend or you want to inform, you can make it code inside. If the person is elder to you, you want to show respect. ¿Cómo está usted? I'm fine. Estoy bien. Very, muy bien. Bad, smart. Very bad, mean. There are a couple of ways to say delighted to meet you, like mucho gusto, pleased to meet you, encantas, delighted to meet you. Please, por favor, if you want to apologize to someone, I'm sorry. Lo siento. Some people, especially Mexican people, use perdón or with us for sorry. Excuse me, disculpe. If you want to thank someone, thank you, gracias. You will give response. How? Suárez, de nada. See you later. Hasta luego. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Goodbye. Adios. Now we'll start with a quiz. I will ask you some English phrases you will have to answer in Spanish. I will give you 5 seconds. Let us start.
Hello. Hola. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Please. Por favor. Por favor. You're welcome. De nada. De nada. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Excuse me. Disculpe, disculpe. Sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto.
Thank you for watching my video. Gracias por ver mi video. Please, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my video. Goodbye. Adios.